it's Hannah with WTI here with my pop can, and there is something extra special on top. It is this smarter seal, and this thing is genius. So any of the issues I had from drinking pop from cans, this thing has solved. First, I'm paranoid about drinking drinks that have been outside on our porch for a little bit because I have drank from them before and swallowed a bee and it stung the inside of my mouth. This thing seals completely, so you do not have to worry about any bugs getting in this when you are drinking outside. So we went camping last weekend, and this thing was so nice to have because I knew my drink would only be touched by me. The second thing is we have kids, and I'm kind of clumsy myself, and anytime this gets knocked over, then you have a huge mess. But this thing seals so well. So I can even turn it upside down and nothing comes out. The seal is so good that when I was testing this to see how well it actually sealed, it actually was sealed so well that just turning up and down a couple times shook the carbonation enough, and then it exploded. So don't shake it, but it seals that well that there is nothing that's going to get in or out of this when this thing is on. The third thing, this is a multi-pack of 8 and it comes with 4 different colors. So you're no longer going to wonder, is that my can right there that I laid down? Because you each can have your own color. So if you drink pop from a can, these smarter seals solve all of your problems, but that's just my point of view.